Find or read reviews that people are talking about BALAPET foam sauna seat cushion with back support. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Effective back support. Equipped with a special designed back support part. Seat cushion measures 4x16 x 3 inch, black cushion sized at 13.8 x 11 x 4 inches, it effectively relieves lower back pressure, allowing you to relax more comfortably while enjoying the sauna. Heat insulation and waterproof. Sauna seat cushion is made of high-density foam pad and waterproof cover, soft and flexible to protect your wooden sauna bench. The inner sponge inserts can keep its shape to provide optimal comfort and support. Long-term durability. Designed to provide comfort and durability, the fade-proof and tear-resistant polyester fiber on the surface withstands heat and sweat to protect your sauna's wooden benches. Easy to clean. The sauna cushion features a zippered removable cushion cover. The machine washable cushion cover is easy to keep clean. Simply remove the cushion cover from the cushion insert and wash it at a low temperature. Air dry or tumble dry at a low temperature. Wide application. Our sauna seat cushion can be widely used in infrared saunas, bathhouses, and spas. You can enjoy the sauna with your family and bring you a comfortable experience. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.